All right, guys, 2 videos in one day. How about that? So this is going to be a real quick down and dirty of all of the stuff that's going in my airplane. So to start with, it is a 1954 Piper Pacer. It's actually a tri-pacer converted. Somebody put an 0320 on it. I'm going to keep that. I'll be using an 8044 bore prop, same as I had before. It's going to get squared off wings with Stewart System wingtips. VGs, just like I had before. It's going to get a second landing light, or an additional landing light on the right side. It's going to have the Super Cub 3-inch extended gear with Mall Oleo struts, Alaska Bush wheels 29s with Cleveland double pucks, float fittings. It's going to get some additional strength to the tail. It gets PA18 tail feathers, VGs under the tail, of course, as well. It gets a left side Eddie Trimmer seaplane door. The right side gets converted to a seaplane door. It's going to have the long skylight up top. It's going to get new reupholstered seats. It's going to get carbon fiber floorboards, carbon fiber interior panels. Later on down the road, it's going to get a full facelift on the instrument panel. I'm not going to do that right now because I just don't have the time. Let's see here. It's getting carbon fiber wing root fairings, carbon fiber fuel tank lids, a little carbon fiber skull cap spinner just for funsies, carbon fiber hubcaps, again, just for funsies. Instrument panels, real basic. It'll have a flush mount iPad with basic VFR gauges and a single comm radio. No transponder, none of that. Let's see here. That's probably about it. I'm sure I'm missing a bunch of stuff. Oh, of course, with the seaplane door, you have to do the fuel selector valve, Mall fuel selector valve, and fuel line rerouting. Also moving the battery to the co-pilot's kick panel. I always have some weight in the back with survival gear and stuff, so hopefully that'll let me have my weight a little more evenly distributed whenever I'm fully loaded, which is when I'm a little more worried about aft CG in a Pacer. It's got a baby bush in the back, and that'll stay also. It's going to get covered in Stewart System process, and the paint scheme is going to be duct tape gray-ish, gunmetal gray, battleship gray, something like that, and a dark burnt orange with a pretty classic Super Cub color scheme on it. The orange will also be all over the belly. It'll have 2 stripes on the wings, kind of like my old paint job had, and a little bit on the elevator too. And hopefully that'll allow it to be seen whether it's right side up like it should be, or heaven forbid if it's upside down and somebody needs to come find me. But that's the status update on the Pinto and where it's going to be. And stay tuned because I'm super excited to have my airplane back in the world.